Now we are going to do the next topic, that is quadrilaterals. We know that in a quadrilaterals, four sides are there. You could see here that I have drawn a quadrilateral, that is AB, BC, CD and DA. Along with that, there are some different terms related to the quadrilaterals, that is vertices, sides, angles and diagonals. So in this, what is vertices? Vertices means what? जहाँ पे दो line segment join होते हैं, वो जो point होगा, that is said to be as an vertices. You could see that AB and AD, they are intersecting at one point, that is point A. So it is said to be as an vertices. Same way, AB and BC, they are intersecting at point B. So B is the vertices. BC and CD intersecting at a point, that is C. Same here, point D. So this four points are said to be the vertices, that is A, B, C and D. Same way sides. Sides, I don't think you'll have any doubt in that, because sides you can easily identify. How many sides will be there? Four sides, that is AB, BC, CD and DA. Angles. Angles are four. 1, 2, 3, 4. But how to write the angles? If I want to write angle B, then either I have to start from A or I have to start from C. So your angle will be written as ABC or CBA. जो भी angle होता है, that angle will be written at the center. Okay, and then we will see the arms of it. Right. Next is diagonals. So how many diagonals are there? So diagonals means what? If a line join from one end to the opposite end, to the opposite point, then we will say that that line is to be as a diagonal. एक पॉइंट से उसके ऑपोजिट पॉइंट तक अगर हमने एक लाइन ज्वाइन किया, दैट इज डायगोनल. सो क्वाड्रिलेटरल, हाउ मेनी डायगोनल्स? टू डायगोनल्स. एंड आई वी हैव ऑलरेडी सीन दैट फॉर एनी शेप व्हाट इज द diagonal formula, that is n minus 3 upon 2. So here also we can relate it. N means what? Number of sides. So quadrilateral number of sides is 4. So 4 minus 3 upon 2. So it will be 4 into 1 by 2. So cancelled. So here you will be getting answer as 2. So this is the answer over here. Now what we are going to relate it, we are going to see that adjacent sides. ये बहुत important term है, and the way to represent this adjacent sides are very important, very tough, not that tough, but confusion हो जाता है. Okay, so now the question is, what is adjacent sides? Adjacent मतलब क्या? Exact उसके बाजू वाला. So if I am talking about AB, तो AB के दो adjacent होंगे. Sides it is given, so I am talking about sides. So if I am talking AB, this is also its adjacent and this one is also an adjacent. So according to that, there are different pairs of that. So हमें सिर्फ खाली याद ही रखना है कि adjacent side किसे कहते हैं. So AB का adjacent side क्या हो सकता है? AD, और AB का adjacent side हो सकता है BC. Right? Same here, opposite sides. Opposites we can easily identify. AB opposite side will be CD. BC opposite side will be AD. Next is adjacent angles. Adjacent angle means what? Same, related to the term side. Side में जैसे हमने relate किया वैसे ही हम angles के लिए relate करेंगे. Side, sorry, angles means what? If A, I'm talking about A, so D is also an adjacent angle, B is also an adjacent angle. So according to that, sometimes a question might be asked that what is the adjacent angle to C? So you can write that B and D. Right? So what is opposite angles? Angle A, so opposite angle will be angle C. B, so opposite angle will be D. So these are the basic terms related to the quadrilateral. But one more thing, that is angle sum property. What is this angle sum property? It means sum of all those angles, that is equals to 360 degree. So sum of all these angles is equals to 360 degree. There are some questions related to it, so we will solve that questions right now and we'll try to identify those answers. Okay, now I'm reading the questions. Based on that questions we are going to solve it. Now the question is, if I talk about the question, three angles of the quadrilateral are, what the three angles are given, that is 54 degree, 80 degrees and 116 degrees. We have to find the fourth angle of a quadrilateral. Right now only we have seen that sum of all angles is equals to 360 degree. So what we will write there, that 54 degree plus 80 degree plus 116, we'll write it as x, that will be equivalent to 360. So x is equals to, so what will be the addition? 54 plus 116, it is 60, 70, 250, that is 360 minus 250, that is equals to 110 degrees. Okay. Now we'll move towards the another question. This is the answer over here. इतना difficult नहीं था, ये question किया हुआ है. Now second one, four angles of quadrilaterals are in the ratios. अगर ratio में दिया है, so how you are going to write? So 2 ratio, 3 ratio, 5 ratio, 8. This is the question. If all those four angles are in the ratio, then how you are going to identify the angles? So what we'll do, whenever we used to remove the ratio, we used to place one common ratio value. Okay. So how we are going to put the common ratio? So we'll remove it, ratio value, and we'll put x over there, x, x, and here x. So total 4 different angles are there. So in that, first angle will be 2x, second angle will be 3x, third angle will be 5x, and fourth angle will be 8x. So what is the angle sum property of quadrilaterals? That is 360. So what we'll do, 2x plus 3x plus 5x plus 8x is equals to 360 degrees. So if I add it up, because all these are of same variable, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 5 10, plus 8 18. So 18x is equals to 360. So x is equals to 360 upon 18, that is 20 degree. X is equals to 20. So what I'll do, I'll substitute 1 by 1 over here so that I'll get the angles here. So 2x, 2 multiplied by 20, that is 40. 3x, 2 into 20, it will be 60. Sorry, 3 into 20 is 60. 5x, that is 5 into 20 is 100. And last one is 8x, that is 160. So what are the four different angles? That is 40, 60, 100, 160. If you add all those angles, you are going to get 360. If you are having any doubt in this type of questions, जो आंसर आया उसे ऐड कर लो. क्या अगर 360 आ रहा है, it means it is a quadrilateral. और ये जो हमने फाइंड किया, that answer is correct. Okay? In this way we can relate it. Now third question. Sometimes question में ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि question में दिया होगा twice of the first angle, thrice of the second angle. So in that way we can assume it by 2x, 3x. So now the third question, what it is given? The measure of two angles of a quadrilateral are 115 degree and what is the next angle it is given? That is 45 degree. And the other two angles are equal. और क्वेश्चन में क्या कहा है, बाकी के जो दो एंगल है वो इक्वल है. So what I have taken? So I have taken as x. मान लो सेम ही है, so we'll take it as x. If four angles are given to us, we know that in a quadrilateral sum of all angle is equals to 360 degrees. So 115 plus 45 plus x is equals to 360 degrees. So if I add it up, 50 and I think it will be 115 plus 5, 120, 160 plus 2x is equals to 360. 2x is equals to 360 minus 160, that is 200. So x is equals to 200 upon 2, that is 100. X का value अगर 100 है, if this is 100, then what about the next one? That one will also be 100. So from this we can say that both the angles are 100 and 100. So इससे हम will get the answers. There are different type of questions. जो मैंने कहा 3 questions I have already shown to you, and along with that few questions I am going to give it for your practice so that you can relate it easily. So here the quadrilateral topic gets completed. Next video will be based on parallelograms. Fine.